Ang isa talaga sa pinaka-memorable na tumatatak sa akin hanggang ngayon ay yung unang-unang beses na sumampa ako sa isang entablado, sa isang stage. At yun ay nung nag-uumpisa ako bilang isang dancer. Na pagsampa ko, parang gano'n yung entablado, may mga ilaw, may usok, tapos may mga tao, may mga nanonood. Kakaibang happiness, kakaibang joy ang naibigay sa akin ng dahil
There was once a day that I would pray for you.
We are all very proud of what you have become. Through these years, you have added value to yourself, and GMA is very proud and happy that we are part of that journey.
Again, Ding Dong, salamat for giving again GMA the trust to be with us. Salamat sa iyo.
Kaya ako'y nagagalak tayong lahat na si Ding Dong bukod sa isang kapuso, isang kasamahan, isang kapatid, isang inaanak, isang kabarkada, isang kapuso. Higit sa lahat, isang kapuso. Dong, thank you for the years past and the years to come. You make us all very proud.
Kaya ako na mismo magpapasalamat na pumirma siya ulit, ni-renew ang kanyang contract sa GMA.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one.
Isa talaga sa pinaka-memorable na tumatatak sa akin hanggang ngayon ay yung unang-unang beses na sumampa ako sa isang entablado, sa isang stage. At yun ay nung nag-uumpisa ako bilang isang dancer. Na pagsampa ko, parang gano'n yung entablado, may mga ilaw, may usok, tapos may mga tao, may mga nanonood. Kakaibang happiness, kakaibang joy ang naibigay sa akin ng dahil meron akong stage to showcase my talent. Ang sarap pala ng pakiramdam na makapag-perform. Ang sarap pala ng pakiramdam na meron kang stage, meron kang platform to do what you love. And I think, more importantly, mas masarap yung pakiramdam na nare-reciprocate yung happiness na yun ng mga manonood dahil na-appreciate nila ang ginagawa ko.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got